Kia ora, I'm David Chastain with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, China seems to be struggling to find its way through the wreckage of its property crisis. The Chinese central bank left both its 1- and 5-year rates unchanged in their monthly review yesterday, still at 3.45 and 3.95 respectively. The 1-year benchmark has been unchanged for 9 consecutive months now, the 5-year benchmark for 3. These holds come amid a flurry of other loosening activity last week, targeted at reviving their property markets and saving the remaining large property developers. Analysts, though, are forming the view that the actions China has taken to reinvigorate its property sector won't be enough to achieve that. Bets that much more stimulus will be required are juicing up some commodity markets. Copper, for example, has now risen to $11,250 a tonne, up 7.5% in a week and up double that in a month. Zinc has taken off too, up 10% in a month. Meanwhile, they are chalking up some global success in other areas. The number of new shipbuilding orders in China rose almost 60% in the first quarter of 2024 from the same period a year ago. This accounted for about 70% of global orders for ships. Meanwhile, Taiwanese export orders came in April at the same level as March, a very good result because that is almost 11% higher than April 2023 and well above the expected 4.5% gain. And we should also note perhaps that the New Zealand carbon price is falling away quite quickly now, with the NZ units down to just $46 a tonne. US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.44% and up 2 basis points from yesterday. And the price of gold will start today up $19 at $2,434 an ounce. Oil prices are down 50 US cents, however, at $79 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is still just on $83.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today down 20 basis points from yesterday at just over 61.1 US cents. Against the Aussie was still up at 91.6 Australian cents. Against the euro was softer at 56.3 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 70.2 and down 20 basis points from yesterday. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chastain, and we'll do this again tomorrow.